Welcome to our computer lab. Today, we're going to explore the essential rules that help us create a safe and productive environment for learning and working with technology. In the computer lab, rules are like our guiding stars. They keep us safe and ensure that everyone can learn effectively.
Can anyone tell me why safety rules are important in the computer lab?
Safety rules are important because they help protect both us and the computers from accidents.
That's right. Now, let's talk about how following rules can create a respectful and collaborative atmosphere.
Rule number 1. No food or drinks in the computer lab. Remember, computers and liquids don't mix well. Rule number 2. Keep noise levels low. The computer lab is a place for focused work. Rule number 3. Always log in with your own credentials and log out when you're done. This helps keep our work secure. Rule number 4. Use respectful language when communicating online. Our words can impact others, so let's choose them wisely. Rule number 5. Keep your workstation tidy and organized. It makes it easier to find what you need and creates a positive environment for everyone. If you notice any problems with the computers or equipment, let your lab supervisor know right away. We all play a part in keeping the lab running smoothly. Treat digital resources with care and respect copyright rules. Just like we wouldn't take something without permission in real life, we shouldn't do it online either. Follow the guidelines for internet use in the lab. Stick to educational websites and avoid anything that's inappropriate or could cause harm.
Remember, following these rules isn't just about using computers, it's about being responsible digital citizens. Let's work together to create a safe and productive environment in our computer lab.